What's up, guys? It's been a minute. 3:30 in the morning, hitting the caffeine because we're going on a trip. Heading out right now because I like driving at night, but we are going to Sturgis. If you guys remember the start of the channel, the very first video I ever did was a Sturgis video, and I haven't been back since. That was 2020 during COVID. So it's been 5 years since I've been there. My dad has been numerous times out there, and we've never been together. So he's already taken off. He's waiting on me at the campground. We're going to be staying at Glenco, and this is our first time getting to enjoy it together. And it's about 16 hours. I think it's like 15 and some change, but it's probably gonna be like 17 or 18 hours, most likely, with stops and everything. And I don't know, I'm excited. My dad's buddy Ron is out there. We're staying in a big ass toy hauler. I've never, obviously I stayed in a hotel the last time I was there, so I'm anxious to see what Glenco has to offer, but got to bear that trip there. Got to get through the 16 hours and get out there so we can enjoy our time. So it's just me, no co-pilot this time, so it's going to be me and my tunes and my whatever snacks I want, and we're hitting the road. So got a full tank, got that beautiful ass 2014 Ultra back there, and we're going to hit the road. We'll see you guys. First gas stop. Not making very good time at all. Chicago sucked. Bike was bouncing around so much. There's so many potholes and bumps in the road, and some of the straps came off the bike. I had to stop on the side of the road and put them back on, and I would have recorded that, but traffic was so crazy I didn't feel comfortable doing that on the side of the road. So first gas stop. I still have 11 and a half hours to go, so not making very good time at all. I'm just now into Wisconsin, so yeah, time to put the shades on and hit the road again. Hopefully smooth sailing from here on out, but this first leg of the trip has really sucked. Hopefully that's not a foreshadow of what the rest of it's going to be like. So see you guys back on the road. Oh my God. So this is usually my midnight. It's about 10:49 a.m. and I'm in Wisconsin, and I'm about to get on 90 and head west, and I'm on 90 for like 640 some miles or something like that. And I'm gonna pull over here. Well, I am pulled over at this truck stop. I'm gonna take a quick nap real quick, probably about 45 minutes. Somehow I was able to shave a bunch of time off. I don't know how. Excuse me, I don't know how, but I shaved a bunch of time off, and it's going to put us about 6:45 p.m. right now. So I'm going to take a nap because I should be asleep right now, but I'm driving instead. Excuse me. And I don't know, I'll wake up and use the bathroom and be ready to go again. So we'll see you guys back out there. But man, this trip out is really gonna take it out of me. I know once I get there I'm just gonna be wanting to nap, but we'll get there. I promise this whole video isn't gonna be just me driving out there. So well, I just had a damn good nap. Some bikes pulling in, they're riding all the way out, but I'm ready to motor on. Bike's looking good back there. Got a full tank, got an energy drink. This is the most boring stretch coming up of the whole thing, is Highway 90, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with any of that. We're just gonna cut the trip cut the video of the trip here, and we will see you guys at the campground. All right, you ready to head out for our first day? I did not record myself coming into the campground. We're here at Glenco. I was too tired last night, too muddy. You can probably look at the truck and the trailer and see it was raining, got mud everywhere. But even left the bike on the trailer this morning. I was too tired, so got it off this morning once I got up. The bike's loaded up here with Dad and his buddy Ron. We're staying in this palace here. So this day is our first day, so we're gonna head out and go to Spearfish Canyon, because I've never been there before. They were discussing it, and they said it's pretty cool to go through. So last time I was here I didn't get to go through it, but we're gonna go through it today. So got the bikes all ready and cleaned up, and we're gonna get on the road. Riding down through Spearfish. I do believe I had been there before. I don't know, it looked familiar, but it is a Black Hill, so a lot of it looks the same, but damn good riding. Couldn't ask for any better weather than today. So we ended up here in Deadwood, here by the branch house, and I think we're gonna go find us something to eat real quick. Here it is, 4 in the afternoon. We ain't had breakfast yet, so we're gonna go find a bite to eat. Oops, sorry there, Ron.
It's all right, man.
Didn't mean to bump into you. Go to the pump house. Dad says it's pretty good. I at least need something to drink. Go check her out. Oh, let's dig in, fellas.
Yeah.
Had a damn good lunch inside there. We were the only ones in there too. Makes it nice. Let's see. All that for a dime. Now we're gonna go back, look at the map, and see where else we want to go. I think we're pretty much done with Deadwood. We cruised around a little bit and went and got something to eat. That's pretty much all we wanted to do here. So we're gonna go check out the map and see what's next. Down where you were wanting to head now.
We'll just follow 85, go back to 90. Yep. Going back, walk downtown, look for some boots. Sure. You guys want to do that?
Works for me.
Whatever you want to do, brother.
Works for me.
Okay.
Headed back downtown. Sometimes you don't get to pick who you travel with, but you look at my dad. Here he is right under the no parking. Just lawless, man. Just lawless. Gotta pull away. Look at it. Tow truck was over here scouting. It's getting ready to pull him away. Pulled out just in time. Cycles. Dad's gonna look for a seat. He has a Softail Deluxe at home as well. So we're gonna see if they got one for him. He's having a hell of a time finding a seat for it, but even if we don't find one, at least I get to check out a bunch of bike parks and shit in here. Look at a bunch of bikes out here, man. This is what I love about these rallies, just every bike out here. They're all different, you know, pretty cool. Let's go check out what they got.
So there's a gentleman by the name of Bill, Spaz Cycles. He's down here on Main Street, just past the dealership. He's on the right-hand side, last vendor. He'll have a seat for you down there. He has a bunch of our seats. All right, bud.
Gotta go down the end of the road.
Okay, good. So I was going to say, I've had a couple people look at this one, and they're like, I don't need my backpack. I'm like, all right, then you need the version without the receiver.
No luck finding a seat for him. Just walking around checking stuff out, man. It's getting pretty hot now. Got some tea going so I can cool off a little bit, sitting in the shade. Also, I've been looking for a bandana, just a regular one. But they're all headbands. I can't find a single damn just regular bandana. I'm still on the hunt for one. But we're just still checking out downtown right now. Already saw everything we're going to see right now for downtown. Coming here during the daytime, we're just sweating our asses off, looking at bikes and looking at t-shirts basically. So I think we're going to head out and take a little ride, get some more miles under us, and that's going to be it for the night. We're talking about maybe doing full throttle tomorrow, I'm not sure. So we'll see you guys on the ride, and then we'll see you in the fucking morning. Good morning. You know, we have to be here at the old PF. You guys can say what you want, but it makes it nice to be able to lift while I'm on vacation still. So I'm gonna go in here, do a little bit of back and a little bit of shoulders, and then head back and hop on the bike. Not a bad back and shoulder workout this morning. This Planet Fitness is only 27 minutes away, or 27 miles. I can't remember how many minutes. It was a little longer with all the bike traffic and stuff, but not bad. Gonna head back to camp now. We'll see you guys back out on the bikes.